I ride for my niggas, yo. I ride for my niggas. Rider for my nigga, man, I'm so dope. Fuck it, I don't even got a flow. Fuck it, I ain't taking home the sober hoe. Fuck it, I want the slut that takes it in the butt. Don't give a fuck, I paid $50 for. You sleep with me, I'ma leave you with a hammered void. Disbelief, you can ask the bitch to tell a story. She kept yelling, stop please, and I damn ignored her. Eyes wide, you still blind, trying to see me. See my mind invokes lighting fires, believe me. They lie as I am way higher, only I'm beneath me. They tired cause they behind them, they keep trying to reach me. The only time you the shit is when you shit in draws. I'ma make you shit in paws, they make your bitch dribble balls. And she got talent, she dribbles balls with her jaws while it drizzles all shit. I'm what the clouds are pissing on. Bitch, I am flyer than eagles with my eagle claws. The only thing fly about you is that you got chicken pox. But nah, dog, chickens don't fly at all. Run, run, now I got you dodging flying saws. I'm defying laws of gravity, I'm soaring. The beat seems foreign, actually I'm touring in it. I'm more for menace, want more you'll get it. Whack boys got the top high score, we winning. We click clack, you cluck clucking like chickens. We bout cash, you sit back, y'all niggas missing out. Man, time is spending while you smile at women. We be trying to get a millions, looking for nothing but checks with commas in them. I eat rappers for lunch and my stomach's where I'ma send them. I use a knife on them while they still alive, I skin them. All these people around me normal, I'm opposite them. Out of this world, astronaut rockin' rocket denims with extra pockets in them, just to make sure that I can fit some of my profits in them. Reason I treat you like shits cause I got problems. Women, get on your knees, I'm about to ski cause I don't want no children. Stay scheming, yeah, we stay scheming. Focused on the money, so yeah, we stay fiending. Mission to get paper for money, we A-teaming. All the bitches hating can swallow my gray semen. Ever since a youngin' best rapper, I make believe it. Better than everyone by the age of 18. Bitch, I'm destined for greatness the way that fate sees it. I like a bitch that tells me that I gotta taste dick. I'm weird like piercings in the rear. Smash a hit with a chair, but seriously it's sincere. I don't care, I'm the shit, you can smell it when I'm near. I appear, your career be shivering up in fear. I make your eyes hear me, make your ears teary. I go hard, that's why my dick looking speary. So far nobody be on my level clearly. Yeah, I'ma keep ripping my team like I cheerlead. About to explode like nuke bombs. My poop long and I run this with no shoes on. Now who wants some a double Chuck Norris? I'm too strong. No soup's gonna heal me, I'm sick, getting my flu on. Niggas keep slipping, man, it's as if they got lube on. They feed, it's time to eat, the beat is like food on my plate, for fuck's sake, my dick just got puked on. Man, I knew I shouldn't have made your bitch gag for too long. True start, let me add them, I said, let me add them. I grab these bitches by their clips when I drag them. I spit like a dragon, roast them while I hang them. Just another day in the life of my mad fun. I sing money anthems, I want the bread and crumbs. It's the apocalypse, niggas running like I'm a panther. Get off my soccer shit, trying to block my goal with your hands up. So when I pop a bitch, you already know what's the answer. So why I did it, my heart's cold, I don't feel no pity. It's MOB, keep my circle small, I got no hoes with me. The outcomes of having being raised in the gold city. I never believe a story just because a hoe is pretty. Shocking niggas like I'm Pikachu. Take her home naked, peekaboo. My dick Pikachu. I fuck your girl, her friend comes through, I dick her too. Then kick him out, I'm an asshole, I got shit to do. Tech.